this is Jerry, and as promised, I'm back to bring you another great and beautiful luxury handbag review. Today, I'm going to be talking about this beautiful Louis Vuitton Capucines BB bag and this beautiful exotic lizard skin. This bag was named after the first Louis Vuitton boutique that was built in Paris. So it was named after the street that this boutique was built on back in 1854. It comes in 3 different sizes. There's a mini size, there's a BB size, which is this, the middle size, and then there's also a PM size, which is a little bit larger than this bag. Louis Vuitton makes several different types of exotic leather handbags. There is a lizard handbag, they also have an ostrich handbag, they also have a crocodile handbag, a python bag, and if I didn't say ostrich, then I'm saying it again now. The lizard handbag is one of the most sought after exotic leathers that Louis Vuitton sells. Between the crocodile and the lizard, those are the 2 most sought after exotic leather handbags. So why did I choose the lizard over the croc? There are several different reasons, and it is for this bag in particular. So if you remember I said that I like to collect, or that when I purchase a bag, my preference are different handbags that are unique, that are limited edition, that are just something that you won't find in any Louis Vuitton boutique. This particular bag, you cannot walk into a Louis Vuitton boutique and purchase this bag. You know why? Because it's that rare. Why is it so rare? You normally will find the lizard in the mini size, but to find one in this size is a very rare thing. Now, the second thing that makes this handbag extremely rare is that there were only a few of them made, and they are exclusive to the Middle East. So I believe I can count on one hand how many of this particular handbag was made. And it was made only and sold exclusively in the Middle East. I was actually told that a member of the Saudi royal family also picked one of these handbags up. So this is, for me, a collector's item. The resale value on this bag would be very significant. However, I don't have any intentions of selling this bag. I bought it because it is so beautiful and so iconic, and I actually just love the bag. So I'll bring it a little closer because I want you to be able to see the iridescence from the silver overlay that was put on this bag. So to make one of these bags, there are over 125 individual steps, first of all, just to create this bag. It takes over 250 artisans to create this bag. So that tells you just how well crafted the bag is, from every detail, from the silver, the gold loops here on the sides, to the iconic LV monogram there. That's actually hand inlaid. So there are a couple different ways you can carry this bag. You can carry it this way with the flap on the inside of the bag, which is the way I like to carry it. And you can also bring the flap to the outside of the bag if you want the Louis Vuitton signature monogram flower to show. They're both very cute. So if you want to carry the bag with the top of it closed, you can, but you can also take the flap and tuck it inside the bag. And if you look inside the bag here, there's a little flap here that this tucks inside. So it also secures your items. The inside of this bag is a beautiful goat skin. It is just a normal khaki green. It's got your zipper here, and it's got your divider in the middle. It also comes with a beautiful lizard strap. And the strap, like most all Louis Vuitton hardware, is going to have the Louis Vuitton emblem on there. So I will go ahead and strap on the strap of this bag, and it has just 2 clips here on the inside of the bag that you can strap the handle to. So for this bag, there are 2 ways you can carry it. Just as an over the wrist kind of handbag, which is the way I see a lot of the ladies carry the bags here, and it's very beautiful that way. You can carry it that way with the flap in or the flap out. This bag is also meant to be carried over the shoulder with the strap, which I think it's just a classic, beautiful, luxury, exotic, high-end looking bag. It really just pops. Whatever you wear this bag with, whatever outfit you choose, it's going to enhance that outfit 100%. I have dressed this bag, I won't say I have dressed this bag up. This bag has dressed me up with just jeans and a t-shirt on and a pair of cute heels. Throw this bag on and it takes your outfit to a totally different level. So what I like to do is I took this scarf off just to show the craftsmanship and the quality of the handle of the bag. I usually take my Louis Vuitton scarf and I wrap it around the handle of the bag, and I tie a little bow just to protect the handle of my handbag. Something else that's very makes this bag so special, I told you it was the size of the bag. So the size of this bag being in lizard means that it obviously has to be a rare, larger lizard, because this is all one piece here that goes around under the bottom part. This is all one big piece. And I also like to point out that you have the little feet on the bag, which I like, so you can actually set the bag down without damaging the leather at all. So another thing, when you buy one of these exotic leather bags from Louis Vuitton, or I would imagine any other luxury brand, it's going to come with a certificate of authenticity. It says Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species of Wildlife, basically. So when I travel through the airport, if I'm going to take this bag to another country, I'm going to have to present this certificate to customs to let them know that this was a legally purchased bag, and that I'm not bringing something illegal and endangered, taking it in or out of the country. And it's also going to have this stamp here, which says the Republic of France, to let you know where this bag came from and when it made its way to the United Arab Emirates. The origin of the bag, when it was made, the date of the permit of the bag, it's got a certificate number. So this bag is well documented. It's got papers, people. Which is, you know, why wouldn't it? That's not something that I thought of when I purchased the bag, but then when they told me, by the way, Jerry, this is going to be something you're going to keep, because if you decide to travel, then you're going to need to take this certificate to get through customs with this bag. This bag also comes with this really cute cover. Well, it's not cute, it's a protective cover. In case you get caught in the rain or you're just out and about, you want to protect the bag. Isn't it really neat how it fits the bag perfectly? So what are the price tags on these exotic leather bags? Well, I'll talk about the price tag on this particular bag. I've seen these exotic leathers range from probably about $5,000 up to $100,000 US dollars, that is. This particular bag ran $13,000 US dollars and $50,000 dirhams. This is not a piece that I would carry every day. This is a bag that I truly cherish, and a bag that I will pass down to, you know, my daughter. So a few more key points of this bag. The reason I like it is the durability. The silver overlay on top of the khaki green. It just really stands out. It's beautiful. This bag is extremely roomy on the inside. You can carry it with the flap on the inside if you want the LV monogram to show, or you can put the flap on the outside if you want the monogram flower to show. So for my review, my thoughts of this bag are the design itself. The Capucines is a legendary, iconic Louis Vuitton design. It doesn't only come in exotic leathers, it actually comes in a variety of leathers, not just exotics. But if you're able to get your hands on one of these exotic leathers, either in crocodile or lizard, then you have really found yourself a gem. Like I said, croc and lizard are the most sought after exotic leathers from Louis Vuitton and probably any other exotic brand. This bag initially launched the 2017-2018 fall-winter collection and was first spotted on the arm of Angelina Jolie. Thank you for watching. Oh, I have one more surprise for you, and oh my goodness, that got caught in my throat. So I have one more surprise for you. I'm going to just give a little preview of the next bag that I'm going to be showing you on a later review. Again, I said I like really unique, exotic, one-of-a-kind bags or limited releases. So this particular bag I picked up a few years back in Dubai. This bag was created in collaboration with Grace Coddington. So this is a Grace Coddington design. It is her, obviously, cat bag with the gold chain, and I am really excited to bring you a review and talk about this amazing little bag.